So hello and welcome to Vets Diary friends. Our today's topic is something very different. There are some things in this world which we believe and some things which we don't. आप में से बहुत लोग टेलीपैथी क्या होता है इसे जानते होंगे और बहुत लोग ऐसे भी होंगे जो टेलीपैथी को नहीं जानते होंगे. So friends, telepathy is basically a distant communication. हम करते रहते हैं अपनी डेली लाइफ में पर हम उसे समझ नहीं पाते. जैसे कि a relation with a mother and child. कैसे माँ बिना जाने बिना बच्चे के कुछ कहे अपने आप समझ जाती कि बच्चा क्या कहना चाह रहा है. तो क्या ये कॉन्सेप्ट एनिमल्स में भी अप्लाई हो सकता है? क्या हम एनिमल्स के मन की बात भी जान सकते हैं? क्या हम ये जान सकते हैं कि हमारा पेट हमसे क्या चाहता है, वो आज क्यों दुखी है? क्या हम इन सबको जान सकते हैं? वेल, अगर आप इसका जवाब जानना चाहते हैं तो इसका जवाब हमारी आज की वीडियो में है. आज हम आपको मिलाने जा रहे हैं एक टेलीपैथिक एनिमल कम्युनिकेटर से जो वाया टेलीपैथी एनिमल से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं और पेट पेरेंट्स को यानी आपको बताते हैं कि आपका पेट आपसे क्या कहना चाहता है और अगर उससे कोई दिक्कत है तो वो भी आपको बताते हैं. तो हमारी आज की वीडियो पूरी देखिएगा, ध्यान से देखिएगा एंड आई एम श्योर आपको बहुत चीज़ें नई जानने को मिलेंगी अपने पेट के बारे में एंड आपका और उसका बॉन्ड बहुत ही अच्छा हो जाएगा. लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो. Hi Saloni, welcome to Vets Diary.
Thank you so much.
So it's a pleasure meeting you. I got to know about the work you are doing. Animal communication is really a good and different field, you see. Many people don't know about it. So initially I want you to tell me something about yourself.
Yeah, right. You know, the concept is heard a lot in our country, specifically in some states like Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, and mostly in Bombay. But the thing is that people don't tend to believe such things. But until it comes to like missing cases, sometimes then people tend to believe it. Now talking about myself, I'm currently pursuing BTech in computer engineering.
That's great.
So even I belong to a technical field, and then also people ask me, you being in a technical field, how can you do this and believe this? So are you a very spiritual person, and what's up with it? So I'm always like, no, it's not about spirituality. It's about just unlearning some things which we have learned from, we have taught like animals cannot speak, they don't have voice and everything. But also there are many more things like, which we have been taught from our childhood and that we carry with ourselves. So it's nothing much only about, understanding the animals through feelings and emotions. So animal communication, everything includes about distance communication, and it's all about exchanging emotions with the animal.
Okay, this was a brief intro about what animal communication is. Okay. So
Right.
the full name is telepathic animal communicator. Okay.
Yeah,
You call
right,
yourself
right,
a telepathic animal.
Telepathic animal and nature communicator. So everything in nature, everything with animals, and everything that has its own, what can I say, energy, includes telepathic animal and nature communication. So I don't only work for animals, I also work for the plants which are in our house, the tree, anything in nature.
Okay, so it means that you basically communicate with them. Okay, आप उनसे बातें करते हो, उनके मन की बातें जानते हो. Okay, so how is this possible? Okay, because if we talk about a scientific tempo, that people think that this
Right.
is not possible, or whoever does this, they are not truly doing it, है ना? या ये सब झूठ है. So आप क्या कहना चाहोगे इसके बारे में?
We'll understand what energy is exactly. So we all have an energy. We are created with an energy, and we know that it cannot be destroyed. Any interspecies, like even plants and animals, they have a life inside them. They have energy inside them, right? And energy not always means soul. Energy also means, they are been holding something inside, right? So we can, if we have a friend, and we get friends through our vibes. With the energy we match together, we bond together with people, and then we go together with them. हमको कभी कभी एक इंसान खटक जाता है तो वो खटकते ही रहता है. तो why it is because our energy they don't elapse with each other, don't overlap with each other, and that's why there's always a barrier between two people or anything. Like if you don't like a certain thing, your energy is not matching with frequency. Okay, so now coming to telepathy. So telepathy means distance communication. Okay, so I'll give you a very nice example of telepathy. So experience telepathy with our closed ones, like our mother, like our friends. So you know your mother, what she has cooked even before you telling her, Like it happens sometimes. She already knows आपको क्या खाना है. आपकी फ्रेंड्स भी, आप सोचोगे किसी फ्रेंड के बारे में एंड दे कॉल यू, मतलब आप ही कॉल करने वाले होते हो बट वो सामने से कॉल आ जाता है, राइट? So that is called telepathy. And now how does it happen? Because you guys are tuning on the same frequency. Okay. Now if I am thinking about you and at the same moment you're thinking about me. Okay, so that there we are going to overlap and हमारा वो telepathic connection form होगा जिसमें we can exchange our thoughts and emotions. It happens with mother children relationship, it happens in friendships, it happens in very special bonds like husband wife bonds. Okay, so with the person we are connected, हमको उसके सामने से पता चल जाता है even if we don't exchange any words, right? Now you will ask me like how the connection, how do you make the connection, how is this possible? Okay, so basically this is not only about tuning on the same frequency, we have to use everything. We have gifted with six senses which we have, right? So yeah, we have vision, we have taste, we have smell, we have voice, we have feelings, emotions, and the sixth intuition which we call as gut feeling, right? So it's not only about tuning on the same frequency, you have to when I communicate I have to activate and I have to be aware of my senses when I'm talking to the animal. Okay, so it's about that. Now, some people, there's also called as third eye, but it's you must have heard. मतलब Lord Shiva also has a third eye. So third eye basically does not mean कि कुछ spiritual है. It only means कि हमारी senses यहाँ पे active होती है. Okay, the point here is कि we have the power of feeling something जो already होने वाला है या फिर पहले ही समझ में आ जाता है. So two people, two beings need not to be together at a same place physically, but still you can contact with them, connect with them at a deeper level, far away. Even if they are in another country, far away from your place, they are not with you physically, but you can connect with them via telepathy. That is tuning on the same frequency.
Okay. So means this is basically an energy transfer kind of thing. Okay.
Right.
Talk to animals. That what things you can do by communicating with an animal.
So what things can be done? So there's nothing as doing. Okay, so it's very very normal as how we are talking right now. Okay, so it's not only about I have to make a certain time and then connect with the animal, or I have to follow certain rules and then connect with the animal and talk to them about a specific thing. It's nothing like that. It's as easy and simple as how we communicate, like how we human beings communicate with words. Okay, we have to talk specifically about certain things with the animals, which the pet parents needs to understand or the human needs to understand. Then it is I work for health issues, I work for behavioral issues. I speak with animals who are no more now. Okay, because as I told, energy doesn't die, and I also work for missing cases. That is, if the animal is went missing, especially most prominent animal to go missing is cat. Okay, so they have the tendency to go out of the house and return by themselves, or sometimes they don't want to return by themselves. They want to be independent. Yeah. So in that cases, we can speak with the animal and we can talk if they want to return or not. About yeah, and the last and the foremost thing is surgeries, the decisions which we have to take about them. Euthanasia is a word we use for putting the animal down if they are not going to survive more. So in that case, instead of we taking the decision for the animal, we can ask the animal itself about if they want this. Animals are very very good guides for the human beings or any human being on the earth. We can take any guidance from them as well. Okay, so there's a lot, many things included in it, and it's a deep, deep thing, and it doesn't matter. Animal is going to answer for everything you ask them, even for your personal guidance, even for your personal growth, your personal issues, relationship issues, anything you wish to ask about anything, we can talk with the animals.
Okay. Animals can decide for themselves. Okay. If we have any doubts or any confusion, then we can talk to an animal communicator, and they will help us communicate with our pets, and we can exactly know that what our pets want to communicate with us और वो क्या चाहता है हमसे, उसकी क्या क्या दिक्कतें हैं, क्या क्या परेशानियां हैं, ये हम जान सकते हैं. Okay.
Right.
So you know that this topic is something like spiritual based कि कुछ लोग मानेंगे, कुछ लोग नहीं मानेंगे. So it's all upon believing. So I want to ask the next question that okay, you deal with behavioral problems, you communicate with animals. So when people believe you, means वो ऐसे कौन से cases होते हैं जिनमें people believe करते हैं कि नहीं हाँ this works, this actually works.
Yeah, so it's after you have a session, okay? So it's going to be after you have a session, people वो reviews देख के आते हैं because they see something has happened with the another person about this. They have experienced something unique, and then they wish to also experience him about that thing, right? But the only belief you can keep is when I actually have a session with your pet, and then I tell you things which I don't know about you and your pet. Okay, so that is surprising for human beings when with the pet parents, when I have the session. After the session, when I tell them some things, and then they are like, oh, ये आपको पता नहीं था, ये आपने कैसे बोल दिया. Okay, and then there are very minute details like the animal can even share. आपने पूछ लिया animal से what is your favorite toy, तो अगर वो बताता है, मुझे तो नहीं पता कि उसके पास कौन सा टॉय है, अगर मैं बोलती हूँ ग्रीन है तो सच्ची में है उनके पास, तो तब वो बिलीव हो जाता है. वेरी शॉर्ट एग्जाम्पल, बट होते कुछ थिंग्स लाइक आई डोंट नो एनिमल्स. पेट पेरेंट्स डोंट टेल मी एवरीथिंग अबाउट द एनिमल. दे विल जस्ट गिव देयर क्वेश्चंस लाइक व्हाटएवर इश्यूज दे वांट टू आस्क अबाउट. But and they sometimes also pet parents try to test if this is true or not. So they might ask something which very tricky or very much wise. So I had this client of mine. So starting ke pehle she's like, I have to verify certain things. Can we do that? I'm like, yeah, fine, we can do that. And then she asked me, okay, tell me, इसको पूछो कि हमारे रूम में अभी कितने लोग हैं, या मुझे और मेरे हस्बैंड को छोड़ के और कितने लोग हैं रूम में. आई एम लाइक ओके फाइन, ठीक है. तो मैंने टाइम लिया थोड़ा सा. पहले मुझे आया कि नहीं है, कोई है लेकिन थोड़ा दूर है, बिकॉज वो एक होटल रूम में थे. तो मुझे लगा कि कोई वेटर वगैरह होगा जो है थोड़ा सा, मतलब ऐसे दिखा रहा था. एंड देन लेटर शी इज लाइक, आर यू श्योर कोई नहीं है? तो आई एम लाइक, सी देयर इज अ मेल फिगर अराउंड यू एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग. So then she's like, अरे yes, you are right. And I'm like, it's a young male figure, not like this कि बहुत बूढ़े है या फिर it's a young male figure, but he's sitting a little far away from your animal right now. The same room, but little far away. Then she's like, yes, he's my brother, and you're right. Then she started with the session. So sometimes this happens, and I completely understand, because this is not something which our mindset helps us to believe in sometimes. As I told, we are put in with so many things from our childhood कि कभी कोई things believe नहीं होते. हाँ, but ये चीज, it's not only about spirituality जैसे मैंने अभी बोला, it's also about energy and frequency. तो इसमें पूरा spiritual part कहीं नहीं आता है, right? और हमें पता है कि like when we were children, हम जब बच्चे होते तो we already talk with the we have that habit of speaking. We do interact with animals that time, but हमको समझ में नहीं आता because we are not mature by our conscious mind, but we are very much connected with our subconscious mind during that time.
Yeah, sure. So it's something like when we reach an adult stage, we have created some blocks in our mind. Are you contacting with humans also? Okay, are you doing human telepathy also? So you said that I don't do this with the animals because the adults have created much blocks in their mind. Okay, and it's true because हम सबके मन में इतनी सारी चीज़ें ऐसी डाल दी जाती हैं कि ये गलत है, ये सही है, that we get confused. That energy blocks us also. Okay, so
of course, humans के बारे में बात करने चाहिए. There are astrologers, there are tarot readers. ठीक है, जो आपका पर्सनालिटी बता सकते हैं, आपका सब देख के. They can read your face. They have that knowledge, they can do that obviously. But communicating with the human being to human beings is not certainly possible because we have those blocks, as I told you earlier as well. And animals are much more grounded in that comparison. ठीक है, तो animals का कैसे होता है? They haven't blocked themselves. They haven't locked their thoughts and feelings upon. जैसे हम बहुत ही ज्यादा blocks create करके रखते हैं, तो nobody can reach us. मुझे भी नहीं समझ में आएगा what is going in your head right now, right? So that is why. So that's a really rare frequency where people with very good connection and deeper bond connect with each other.
You find missing animals.
So it's not about finding, it's only speaking with the missing animal. अगर मैं पूछूंगी एनिमल से कि भाई बता दे तो किधर है, तो obviously वो एनिमल बता देगा कि मैं किधर हूँ, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ and all. But उनको वापस ढूंढना is not our job. ठीक है, because animals also have their own independence. ठीक है, जो हमको रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए. दे हैव देयर ओन चॉइसेस जो हमको रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए. तो इट्स नॉट अबाउट फाइंडिंग, ट्रैकिंग, खींच के लाओ एनिमल को, पकड़ के लाओ, ढूंढ के लाओ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अगर एनिमल बोलता है कि मैं इधर मैं हूँ एंड आई नीड हेल्प इन रिटर्निंग, उस टाइम पे ऑफ कोर्स आई विल टेल द पेट पेरेंट टू गो एंड सर्च फॉर द एनिमल इन दैट लोकेशन. एनिमल मिल भी जाता है एंड देन दे ब्रिंग बैक द एनिमल ओनली इफ द एनिमल नीड्स हेल्प. ओके, बट इफ दे willing to return, वो तो बात अलग है, फिर तो कम्युनिकेशन वहीं पे स्टॉप हो जाता है. We have to convey to the parent that your animal is not interested in returning back due to some issues. और आती है थर्ड थिंग जहाँ पे एनिमल खुद से आते हैं वापस. ठीक है, खुद से आते हैं ले जाते हैं एंड दे गिव अस द ड्यूरेशन, ठीक है. So my job is to tell the pet parent about the duration in which they are going to come back.
ओके, एनिमल्स खो जाते हैं तो उन्हें ढूंढने में हेल्प कर सकते हैं एनिमल कम्युनिकेट. सो डू यू कॉन्टैक्ट विद पेट एनिमल्स ओनली और वाइल्ड एनिमल्स ऑल्सो?
Yeah, I have tried contacting with wild animals as well. On my willing, I have communicated with elephants, tigers, wild bird like eagles and everything from my side. Whenever I wanted to connect with them and talk about a certain thing.
कैसा लगता है आपको? हाउ यू फील व्हेन यू टॉक टू एन एनिमल? मींस अंदर से कैसी फीलिंग आती है?
तो फीलिंग ऐसी आती है जैसे एनिमल हम हमारे ह्यूमन से बात करते हैं, कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, ठीक है. बस ये चीज है कि हम वर्ड्स यूज नहीं करते हैं वहाँ पे, तो वो सब फीलिंग्स और इमोशंस के थ्रू हो जाता है, राइट. क्वेश्चन होगा कि ये होता कैसे है, करती कैसे है, लाइक बैठती है, मेडिटेट करती है. बहुत लोग पूछते हैं मेडिटेशन करते हो क्या इसके लिए. तो ऐसा नहीं होता. जो थिंग मुझे रिसीव हो रही है मैं बस वो एनिमल पे ट्रस्ट करके रिसीव करूँ. That is only my job. It's about feeling, okay? It's only about receiving what I am receiving from the animal. I take the animal and I get the feeling and I take it. I just take it. So it feels like a two-way conversation because trust me, sometimes animals are very much attitude fixed, like हमारी human tendency भी होते. So it's very funny. I have literally laughed when I'm communicating with animals. Some animals complain so much like about the humans and about their life. Like she takes me out when I'm not interested and anything. She doesn't let me eat what I want to eat. She doesn't let me play with the water and what everything. तो जब वो tantrums फेंकते हैं ना, तो उस टाइम पे जब I receive it, I literally laugh when I'm doing the sessions. And then when I laugh also when I'm talking with the human, and human भी हंस लेते हैं फिर. अरे यार, मतलब ये सही है, मतलब उसकी बिहेवियर तो ये दिखता है, लेकिन ये सच्ची में ऐसा फील करता है, ये हमको आज समझ में आ रहा है.
So when you are telling ना, जब आप ये बता रहे हो, then मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सुन के कि वाकई में एनिमल्स ऐसा कहते होंगे.
कार राइड्स पे नहीं लेके जाते हैं मुझे, ये नहीं करवाते हैं ऐसी, और फिर खाना ज्यादा नहीं देते. मुझे और खाना पसंद है लेकिन खाने को नहीं देते. एंड एनिमल्स, बहुत एनिमल्स जिनको स्कोल्ड किया हुआ पसंद नहीं. तो ऐसी भी बात है कि क्यों चिल्लाती है मुझको. आई डोंट लाइक बीइंग स्कोल्ड. आई डोंट लाइक दैट. लाइक आई रियली डोंट लाइक इट. एंड देन इफ शी स्कोल्ड्स मी, आई एम गोइंग टू बिहेव मोर उल्टा. तो ऐसा भी होता है. एनिमल्स समटाइम्स they have multiple personalities like us. They have different personalities. तो हर एनिमल से साइलेंट एनिमल होगा तो उससे कुछ बहुत इमोशनल एनिमल होगा तो उससे बहुत इमोशनल लाइन आ जाती है. Yeah, I know, but I don't want them to feel like this. Just tell them that I'm fine. जैसे पूरा देवदास होता है वैसे भी एनिमल्स होते हैं. तो
यू आर एन इंजीनियर. आपको ऐसा कब लगा कि आपको ये कोर्स करना चाहिए एनिमल कम्युनिकेशन का? आपने इसे कैसे सीखा एंड बाकी लोग कैसे सीख सकते हैं इसे? अब आप हमें इसके बारे में बताइए.
Right, sure. So I always wanted a dog. Okay, the story starts here. तो जब से मैं 10 साल I always wanted a dog, but due to some reasons, my parents were allowing to get a dog. Recently, last year I got a dog. ठीक है, after wait of 10 years. And घर आने के बाद 2 दिन के बाद ये पता चलता है कि ये मुझे वॉशरूम में भी जाने नहीं दे रहा था. He had separation anxiety. मतलब जब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि इट्स वेरी सिवियर कि मुझे ये वॉशरूम में भी जाने नहीं दे रहा. ही यूज्ड टू फॉलो मी विद इन द वॉशरूम एज वेल. कहीं पे भी जाओ एंड इफ आई एम, तो मैंने उसको आई डिडंट लीव हिम फॉर 3 months अकेले एक बार भी. तो वो इतना सीवियर हो जाता है. he started to scream, he started to cry and everything. तो ऐसी लाइक मैं सर्च कर रही थी, जब हम लोग ट्रेनिंग के बारे में सर्च करते हैं यूट्यूब पे, और ट्रिक्स शुड वी यूज इन एवरीथिंग, तो ऐसे ही फ्लैश हो गई कि, और वो यूएस वालों की थी. ठीक है, तो उसमें लिखा था लाइक अंडरस्टैंड योर पेट इश्यूज, बिहेवियरल इश्यूज विद एनिमल कम्युनिकेशन. आई एम लाइक ओके. मैंने जब फर्स्ट टाइम सुना तो मैंने सीरियसली नहीं लिया. ठीक है, तो मुझे वो एनिमल इंस्टाग्राम पे भी दिख गया, वो ऐसी एड दिखी. And that was an Indian animal communicator. So that was an animal communicator from Pune itself, and she was having some workshops randomly for animal communication. I was like, ठीक है, अभी even I can do this, and I thought it for my dog because मुझे लगा कि यार मतलब मैं समझ सकूंगी इसको क्या प्रॉब्लम है हर टाइम. तो फिर I enrolled for the workshop, and उसके बाद I attended the workshop. था ऐसे 4-5 दिनों का था, जिसमें उन्होंने बहुत बेसिक बताया लाइक क्या है एनिमल कम्युनिकेशन, कैसे होता है एवरीथिंग. तो वो वैसे थे, और देन शी गाइडेड मी अ लॉट. देन आई स्टार्टेड प्रैक्टिसिंग विद इट. So this is how I got to know about it, and But then I realized कि I can implement this as professionally and I can help pet parents to understand about this because it was very much beneficial for me. और मुझे सिम्बा के my dog's name is Simba. तो मुझे सिम्बा से इतनी चीजें पता चली. The bond was something else only.
तो आपका डॉग सिम्बा कहाँ है? We
And
love to meet him also. He's so cute. बहुत प्यारा है ये.
बहुत प्यारा है लेकिन बहुत बहुत शैतान है. And very much like attitude. Like no, I told you, he's amongst the one who throws tantrums over me. So that is, he's dominating over me.
Okay.
So he understands everything. Okay, you tell him anything, you speak with him verbal, you don't speak with him only. He's just like. And I want to add on a funny thing कि आपने जब पूछा था ऐसी funny thing कौन सी एक एनिमल से आप बात करते हो funny लगता, सामने सोसाइटी में झगड़ा हो रहा था, ठीक है, तो रात के 3 बजे झगड़ा हो रहा था वो एक दिन, और मैंने जस्ट स्टार्ट किया था ऐसे, मतलब नया नया उस टाइम पे, बस प्रैक्टिसिंग में था एनिमल्स एंड एवरीथिंग, और मैं उठ के देखने लग गई खिड़की के बाहर, ठीक है, एंड देन मुझे सिम्बा से ये आया, रिसीव हुआ कि अरे तू क्या कर रही है, आके सो जा, ठीक है. अब मैंने मुड़ के देखा कि ये लड़का सच में उठ के ऐसे मुझे देख रहा था, एंड देन आई फेल्ट सो एम्बैरेस्ड कि मैं आके सच्ची में बेड में लेट गई, ठीक है, मुझे खुद रिसीव हो रहा है कि, और वो उठ के बैठा फिर वापस खुद ही, एंड देन ही इज लाइक, ही जस्ट मुझे आया रिसीव हुआ कि अरे हम तो जाने वाले थे वॉशरूम में, क्या हो गया, ऐसे उसने पूछा, ठीक है, मैंने उसकी तरफ देखा तो वो सच्ची में उठ के बैठा था, he was ready to go behind me.
मीन्स आपके अपने डॉग सिम्बा से स्टार्ट होते हुए, मीन्स यू वांटेड टू नो अबाउट सिम्बा, उसकी प्रॉब्लम्स को डील करने के लिए, एंड फ्रॉम दैट यू गॉट दिस आइडिया ऑफ बिकमिंग एन एनिमल कम्युनिकेटर. इट्स गुड, यू नो, नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड योर डॉग वेल, ही अंडरस्टैंड्स यू वेल, एंड you both have a really great communication.
Since then, my life has changed. I have a very different perspective for all the animals, for nature. I was a non-vegetarian, but now I dropped non-veg, and that came out of nowhere. But it happened. Usually, हो गया वो. मुझे किसी ने बोला I was a very good chicken lover. मतलब ऐसे. And I don't mean कि सबको नॉनवेज छोड़ना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं है. But मेरा एक्सपीरियंस मुझे ऐसे करता है कि कुछ चीजें मुझे इतनी सिखा गई कि my life has changed since then. So I am experiencing a new thing every day.
So सलोनी, अभी तक आपने कितने केसेस डील किए हैं एनिमल कम्युनिकेशन से रिलेटेड?
Professionally, it's more than 250, 300 around.
Basically, what my motto was interacting with you. People must know that what is an animal communicator. नहीं कि एनिमल कम्युनिकेटर क्या होता है. तो मुझे खुद नहीं पता था इसके बारे में. मैंने जब सर्च किया तो मुझे पता चला कि काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं जो आर परस्यूइंग दिस एज अ प्रोफेशन. दे आर कम्युनिकेटिंग विद एनिमल एंड दे आर अर्निंग मनी ऑल्सो एंड दे गेट सेटिस्फैक्शन ऑल्सो. सबसे पहले लोग जानें कि एनिमल कम्युनिकेटर क्या होता है. एंड सेकेंड इज दैट इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ गुड करियर ऑप्शन. You know, if you become really good at it. Through you, I got to know a lot about this, that what is basically an animal communicator, and we can join courses for this. Anybody can learn how to communicate with animals.
It's nothing like God gifted. When you try then it happens. I am also even going to start my courses from like workshops, because at least people should understand about their pets. I'll be really informing you when I do that, and I am really excited about it too.
Yeah, sure. So it was really nice talking you, Saloni, and thank you for giving us your time. So in our another session, we'll be doing a live session with you. Invite some pet parents and their pets, and हम ये चाहेंगे कि आप उनसे बात करें, and पता है हम देखना चाहते हैं that how you really communicate with them. Okay. So it will be great.
Really share some stories, which have been very much concerned with the human life, with the animals, not about the resemble and guide the humans.
We both are excited for our next session, and I hope that our audience will also be excited for this. So guys, अगर आपको सलोनी का जो काम है वो अच्छा लगा है, and you got to know something about animal communication, what is an animal communicator, please like, share and subscribe my channel and keep watching It's Time.